cold down here in Maryland, so it was really important that I suited up in my good Prois gear. We started off really strong, getting quite a few nice mature dove.
First got here, dove were moving super duper fast everywhere, like flies. Now they're not really flying too much, so we're gonna see what we can do. So you may have seen my gun earlier. It is a Ruger 12 gauge. I know, probably not the best for dove hunting, but it's what I like. It's my baby. So we got enough for dinner. There was nothing for a while there, and then they all just came in like crazy. Our haul we currently have right now. There's a couple more down the field, but this is what we got right now. Some great shots. I wish I would have got them on video. They were all like behind me. I had the camera set facing this way. But not bad. Had a double down shot. It was awesome. But yeah, pretty much just up here. Have plenty enough for dinner. So we're gonna be eating good. Always remember, pick up your bullets. We gotta leave everything better than we found it.